Hello there my tools, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. How y'all doing? So I'm so excited about today's video. I'm sure you already know by the thumbnail what today's video is already about. So we're going to jump into it. So today's video is all about those essential products that you need to make sure that you have in your home. I'm sure you guys have heard, just as I heard all over the news, that the stores can't hardly keep anything on the shelves, that we may be going into a recession. So with that being said, please go ahead and go out there and purchase whatever you consider to be an essential product for your household. So one of my favorite essentials that I like to keep that is extremely affordable is none other than this right here, you guys. Awesome. So you guys, I love this product for a multitude of different reasons. It is what I consider to be a 3-in-1, and y'all, it is a degreaser, it is a spot remover, and it is a cleanser, or cleaner. Y'all, I love this product, and it is one of my new must-haves, my new favorite must-haves that I keep in the house. You can use this in your house. You can use this in your car. You can use this product wherever you can wipe it off. You guys, it has no acid. It has no ammonia, no bleach. Safe for septic tanks, contains no phosphorus. It cleans everything washable. All you have to do is spray on, and wipe off. This product is easy to find. The most popular place that you'll find it is in your local Dollar Tree. This stuff cleans off a laundry list of different things. It removes blood stains, grease, wine, liquor, gum, oil, glue, coffee, pet stains, some inks, fresh paint, varnish, hair dye, food stains, grape juice, berry juice, and the list goes on and on and on. So I use this, you guys, more so in my bathrooms more than anything. It's where I prefer to use this product because that's where, you know, it go down. So I definitely like to use this in my bathrooms and my home. It is a product that I highly recommend that you have. This is what I would consider to be an essential product, a must-have, one of the most affordable must-have products that just about anybody can purchase. Like I mentioned to you before, you can find this in your local Dollar Tree, but this product can also be purchased online at Amazon. I'm more than sure Awesome may have their own website where you can purchase this product, but if you're trying to get it quick, fast, in a hurry, I definitely know without a shadow of doubt you can find it at that specific store that I mentioned. Now, the only con, because all of those were the pros that I mentioned, the only con that I have about this product is the smell. It doesn't smell the best at all, okay? But we can live with the smell because the smell is a temporary scent. It don't last but long. It's temporary, but it don't smell good. I know we normally like the nuts and berries, you know, the cakes and florals. I know that's what we typically like to smell, but you're not going to get that smell with Awesome. Awesome is not about the smell, it's about the work, okay? It's about getting the job done. That's all Awesome go do. But it's awesome. It's awesome. It just don't smell awesome. That concludes today's video. If you don't have yours, get yours. At least get you enough to last you up to 6 months in the event we do go into a recession. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.